What's up guys, it's Sophie here. I'm going to be playing Rivals in today's Rivals. I'm going to be using pistol only. Yeah, so I'm going to be using a pistol only. I'm going to remove all the weapons in my inventory and use only pistol. So let's get right into the video.
I know L. I'm going to play Titan Madons. Finally, me and my brother let me play on you. Because it was only full. It was only full, buddy. Can I be John Ford? Got it. Due to the game, my brother let me play on his VR.
Okay,
How do you
show
pull
us,
out guns?
show us really good movement and we believe you that you're new.
What's movement?
What did I just hear?
Match started.
I'm doing a
Did you
pistol
say
only.
what's movement?
I'm doing a pistol only. So I can't use anything else.
Okay.
It's for my video, it's for my video.
No, not new one. How you already know how to use a katana and an auto shotgun? No, stop lying to the viewers.
Viewers? Did he
You're
say
so
viewers?
not new. Yeah.
Round started.
He acts like he's famous, but he's not. I'm what? I'm going. Right here. You lost? He's still on. How much damage did my teammate do to you? 0.
Round started.
30. Yeah, boys, come over here. Oh. Teammate, you got this. How are you? I just melee him.
I keep forgetting I don't have a grenade.
Round started.
You know I broke so bad. He's one shot, teammate. He's one shot. Wait, two. Do a one shot. Nah, I was a two shot because he hit me 2 times. I said two a one shot.
Why do I keep forgetting I don't have a grenade, bro?
Stay right here. Stay right here. Melee up.
Wait.
Right here. How? You're cheating, son of a cringe.
He's not cheating.
Yeah, now he is. He's just lying. He says he doesn't have. He says he's new, but actually has nuts. Imagine spamming my teammate with egg. Imagine.
Okay, I gotta go to the bathrooms and out.
Somebody get off.
Ridiculous, bro. I can't.
You wanna run duels? You wanna run duels?
Why am I not on?
I can hear glitch.
Is yours bugging?
I think you might be glitched. Oh my gosh. Hey bro, send your